guys, it's Monica here, fit expert at Lucky Feet Shoes. Today, we're gonna review one of my favorite, the Birkenstock Bend Low. So this is the Birkenstock Bend Low in white. It has all your classic Birkenstock features, the contoured footbed, which really molds to your foot over the course of time. Super, super comfortable. And it also features a leather upper. Nice lace ups, can't go wrong with this. And guys, we didn't forget about you. We also have the Bend Low in men. This is the brown that in the Bend Low for men. Guys, you can wear this to a casual wedding. You can wear this to work if you're, allowed to dress more casually. But the great thing is you can also wear it on weekends, out running your errands, things like that. Ladies, you can wear this with everything. You can wear it with dresses. You can pair it with a cute midi dress. You can pair it with a maxi dress. You can also wear it with your jeans. It's the go-to shoe. Find us throughout Southern California. Check us out online, Lucky Feet Shoes.